So, learning from my mistakes, I guess. Learning some stuff. So, putting these on. So, the crimp tool matters which way it goes. I need that like flush, and the wire kind of flush. The ones I did earlier, you can see it squish that side instead of this side. And these will pull off. No, they don't. So, live and learn. And the next thing I found is that these do not fit in here. But take the screw out. The next question is, will two of them fit side by side? So that is tight. There we go. The answer is they fit, but it's really tight. Go this way. Then you put the plastic cover back in here. It's also hard to fit. Oh, yay. These are the ones I crimped on backwards yesterday. So they pull. Just pull right off. Good twist. Buy way more than you need. This was a 25 pack. Use the crimper the correct way. And now it does not pull off. You line up the blue to so it's the crimp. Pull the wire back so it's just barely sticking through. Crimp it all the way. And it doesn't come off. So red is positive. This side. Just confirming. Boom. When you first plug these on, they're yellow for some reason. I found a few things with WLED that's interesting. So if you were trying to test stuff and whatnot, let me start off with the settings. So these are 24 volt WS2811s, which are the FCOB LEDs. So every half a finger length or so is a segment. So if you wanted to turn off all but one segment, it doesn't really work that way. I'll drop this down to 1 for the length. Save. Doesn't do anything. Then if you come over here and set it to red, see one section turns red. The rest stays. So I haven't quite figured out how to turn off the ones that aren't in use. So yeah, for these 2811s, the length is 100 because there's 100 segments. I have a strong enough power supply, so I turned off the brightness limiter. Set to WS281X. Save. Now the whole row turns color. So you can't really make it less unless you make segments, I'm guessing. I haven't gotten that far yet.